The Orca 75 Quart Cooler. The best high-end rotomolded cooler is the Orca Cooler. Although it seems to lack many features that other coolers have, its prized feature is its lifespan. In addition to a long lifespan, Orcas are a certified Bearproof. There's no way you'll ever have unwanted wildlife getting into your Orca 75 Quart Cooler. Orca is made in America, which is a primary selling point for many people. Orcas are magnificent for family vacations or serve as great cooler options for kayaking and outdoor sports such as rafting. The size makes it great for extended camping trips as well. Orcas are a favorite among families and are well known to last throughout long years of hard use. There is the view that Orcas aren't worth the money because they are slightly more expensive than other coolers. These are not budget coolers, but if you have the budget for it, an Orca cooler will last you 20 years or more.